Hey, welcome to Adam's Ham Radio. Today I'm going to perform a txo crystal oscillator that goes into this radio. The TS, the 590. They always had a problem with staying on frequency. So it's a temperature controlled oscillator, whatever they call it. I'm going to show you the installation. Excuse me. Show you the installation on this, and it shouldn't be that bad. Man, this thing's got some dust on it. All right. Well, we'll just pop the cover. It's already off. Here's the inner part, and this should be right about here. See, now this right here doesn't have to be. This is where the board would have to go. This is the optional txo, the transmitter crystal oscillator, and I have another. It's kind of a generic brand, but I don't know. But I have to zero beat it on WWV and everything, and tune it by ear, kind of thing. And I think the method works pretty good. So we're gonna give it a whirl. Stand by. Yeah, when you gently take this screw out, if I could find the dang thing, I think it's right there. There we go. You take this out. Okay. Now we're gonna take the screw out and put the board in, whatever I gotta do. I'm just taking my time. I don't want to ruin my radio, so stand by. Okay, this is the one that this is where the option one would go in. Sorry, my fingers are chopped up because it's from touching chemicals and all that. Anyways, this is the where you solder the pins to your filter, that the optional filter that would go in. Put it in the light here so you can see what's the situation. We'll put it under magnification here. See, that's that board. And to replace the other, it's already done for you. You don't have to do anything. So there is a little adjustment. I'm gonna have to pull this little foil off, put it on 10 megahertz, get the oscillator running, and get the flutter out. Make sure it's stable. So we're gonna install this and plug it in and isolate some of these pins that are in here, so they won't be touching. Stand by. Okay, now the crystal is installed. Gonna have to peel that foil over to make the adjustment. Let's see how far off I'm on WWV, and we'll do the tuning from there on in. Okay, let's see. Fire it up. Got my little. Sorry, guys, with the. Okay, let's see if I got my tone. It's on 10 meg. Why is this thing not working? Hang on, stand by. Alright, let's see if we got it here. Okay, it's on 10 megahertz. I did the tone. And let's see, we go to. Now you can hear the tone. It's not waving or wavering. I did the adjustment on. Whoops, I just hit the VFO. You hit that, I just put that back on. Okay. Okay, that's on CW. Let's try, hang on, let me try another mode. Okay, so now it's like on 5 hertz. It's not even a wiggle. That's VFO A. Let me go to, I can't see everything. It's all upside down. Oh Jesus, this is embarrassing. I'm not used to seeing a radio upside down. Okay. That's upper sideband. I had my tone on here. Now listen. Not a waver. I don't know if you can hear it. So that's how I lined it up. I put it on 10 megahertz. Just this. Take that little cover off. And then adjust it with your little doohickey thingy bingy. If I can see what the hell I'm doing. Okay, like right around here, you take that thing off, you turn that with a plastic tuning tool. And I'm trying my best to do this video, guys, but you know, it's just a little difficult trying to do this with one hand here, one-handed bandit kind of thing. So we'll see how it sounds on the air. And this was a common problem with these radios, the TS 590s, without that crystal. The tcxo crystal, the transmit oscillator temperature controlled crystal. I can't even talk. My speech is a little off. I'm a little tired today. But we got this hooked up. Wires are tucked away. They're not touching anything. So we're going to have to assemble the radio back up and see what happens. Stand by. But actually, yeah. So all you had to do was just take that little board out. Put this one, there's a screw right here. You put that back in here, it fits right in. Put that plug back in and then make your adjustment. Put it on 10 megahertz. Make sure it's not wavering. You got to have it on CW though. CW. I'll hear that tone. It's not wobbling. That's pretty much dead on. Then you go on 10 meg. Let's see, VFOB. Shoot. I can't see. I'm not used to this upside down thing. Okay, that's CW. I'll put it on lower sideband. Try that. That's upper. Let's see, where's my key button? Oh yeah, you can hear it. Yeah, it's just pretty much dead on. But we'll see what happens. Stand by, guys.